Hey guys, me here again. I'm not going to be doing much because I don't have the thing to hold my screen right now, so, and I'm not going to be talking much either, so, okay, just clarifying you with that. Okay, so, yeah, I'll just be doing a little bit of recording. Not going to make it that long, maybe 5 minutes, don't know, 3 minutes, don't really know. Doesn't have to be super long, but just thinking. Okay. Load. Okay. Let's see what's up with that. Whoa. Oops. Okay. Let's see if anybody here is playing on right now. Let's see if anybody here is on right now. No, nobody's on. It would normally show it at the start, so I already know nobody's on. Okay, so let's do. I think I might. Can I just. 1 second. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm just gonna put this like this. I'm putting it under my chin right now because I don't have anything to hold it with. But hopefully you guys can see this. So I'm gonna play some survival. Just gonna play a little survival to get my brother some coins. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see this. If you're watching, please comment. Oh, I just watched the video. Ignore that. But please like the videos. I mean, I just really want to be at least a little popular. You know, something. Just have videos, you know. I just, you know, I mean, I don't really care, but I think it'd be really awesome. So, just gonna be playing some survival. Survival gets pretty boring if you don't have good guns, but okay, well, this is pretty boring. I'm just gonna exit out. It's pretty boring, so I'm just gonna get out. Okay, let's just get out of here. Sorry I didn't play survival that much longer, but it's not very fun without good guns, so I'm just gonna play a little survival. Not survival, deathmatch. I like to play deathmatch a lot, so. Okay. Search. No kill, because I don't have the thing that holds my phone right now. Okay. So. But yeah, like I've been saying past couple videos, I'm gonna try and get a screen recorder soon. As soon as possible. So, yeah. So I can play on my account, so I can actually do good. Okay. Okay. Go here. Okay. I've noticed that I sound pretty weird when I record. So, I don't care. Everybody says I sound different when I, yeah, do stuff. Like, on recordings and phone and stuff. Okay, let's get out. Okay, Hey, ignore the J. Sorry about that. Okay, but I'm trying to play. Well, here, maybe this will be easier. Okay, yeah, that's easier. It's a lot easier. I'm not gonna tell this guy. I'm not gonna tell him I'm recording. I'm just gonna walk around. Not really do anything. Banana bush. Banana bush. And if you're wondering what the heck's that about? Oh, that's Vanos Gaming. You should go check that out. They're funny. Wildcat, Delirious. Basically, I do work. They're hilarious. Just go watch them. Just saying. You'd love them. I love them. Banana bush. Banana bush. Banana bush. And you should also check out other people that I'm subscribed to. I'll mention them in the description. Tobuscus. Tobuscus, Guy Does Minecraft. Popular MMOs. Yeah, you should check all them out. They're good. Oh, and also Infamous Rusher and iOS Planet. Yeah, iOS Planet. Those guys are good. They're playing Pixelgun. They're the guys that made me want to do it too. So I'm hoping I can get good, you know. I'm not like begging, but I would like to. Oh, what the heck? That no care, bruh. Okay, well, oh well. Don't care. I'm just gonna run away. Run away. Can't really look where I'm going. Okay, but, okay, this video's getting pretty long, but, not too long. I mean, I guess I can wait a little longer. Just try not to take up so much space. It's my last two videos. Hey guys, yeah, I'm back. You know, it's funny. Right as I say, you know, I don't want to take up much space, you know, it says I need more, it says I need to delete space. I'm like, really? Perfect timing, huh? Okay, so, well, since I don't have much space left, I'm just gonna end it here. So, bye guys.